front door. But we're making another video of us hanging out at my house this time instead of Hayden's. Haas is a backpack. Come here. Fine then, dick. What a dick. Woo. Woo. Roscoe. You're popular than you want. If it was up to me, you could have this dumb dog. Come on, get down. Get down. Get down. I'm not gonna pet you. Haas, quit being a tease, you little dick. Come here, Roscoe. Roscoe don't like Hayden. He's a dick.
He doesn't like me. He tried to bite me up.
He's on the chain.
I know, but...
Shut up! I want to pet you. You're a dick. Hayden. Okay. Well, you can go around him because his chain's too short. Come here.
Shut your mouth.
Shut up! What a dick. Ha, stop it. You're being a dick too. Like, you can bully anyone. You're too much of a wimp. Shut up. You're too fat and lazy.
Oh, that was good.
My tree that got ruined in the ice storm, it looks like shit. It just needs cut down. There used to be a tree right here till it got cut out of the ground.
Shut up. Yeah, chase your tail, you stupid dog.
Oh, let's go look at the cherry tree. Mom said that there was blooms on it.
I want cherries.
I know, they're the sour cherry things.
I like honeysuckles when I was little.
I still like honeysuckles. Yes, we're getting cherries on it. Oh,
Yummy.
we're getting cherries on it. That makes me happy. Okay. I'm gonna go in and upload. No, that's a gas lamp.
I was being sarcastic. I was making a sex joke, but obviously it was
Stripper pole. Okay, I guess I have a stripper pole in my backyard. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna go in and upload this video too because Cheryl and them are home and I don't want them to get on and take over the computer. So therefore, I'm getting on. You're dumb.
No, don't bring you over here.
You're dumb. You're dumb. You better watch out.
Don't encourage me.
You better watch out. Okay, well anyways, peace out.